Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another voiceover for you guys because this video could seem to be like all over the place. So I'm gonna walk you guys through everything that I do. So this is a chrome heart set, if you will, with some actual chrome powder and like some chrome nail jewelry, I guess. So first thing I do is I painted the pinky black. I did one coat of black, just a regular black polish, and I'm going to cure it just one time for 45 seconds because I'm going to put chrome powder on that finger. And then for this ring finger, I'm going to do a black French. Now before I do any nail art where I have to use a line art brush, I always go over the nail with a clear top coat first. I see a lot of people use matte, and I personally don't have a preference. Sometimes the matte does kind of seem like it goes on a little bit smoother, but to me the result is always the same. So yeah, I definitely recommend that. Don't just go in with your line art brush because your lines are not going to be as straight as you probably want them to be. So yeah, I'm just doing like two black Frenches on this hand, and then I'm gonna do the chrome on the pinky. So once you let it dry just one time, you're not gonna top coat it. You're gonna just go straight in with the chrome color of your choice. I always use a black background because the chrome is just works better on a black background. You can either use black or white. Just try it out first to see which one you like better. But yeah, I'm going to do the chrome on the two Frenches as well, and then I'm also going to put chrome on the thumb. Once you finish that chrome, you can go straight in with any top coat of your choice. I'm using this Aglor one. I go back and forth between two of my favorite top coats. But yeah, once you put the powder on there, you can just go right in with the top coat. For this the nail art, the nail jewelry, I'm using this, I don't remember the brand. I want to say it's called like Diamond Gel by this brand I found off Instagram like a year ago. I still have it because I don't work with nail jewels as often, but I just add a little dot on the French tip smile line and I just place it there. Now these are heavy nail jewels, so this is something that you kind of want to make sure you have it centered to where you want it to be before you put it in the light. Yeah, so you can't really put it there and then let it, because it'll slide off. That's happened to me before and I've had to take it off and start over. So yeah, then you could just top coat around it. Make sure you're getting around that nail jewel so that it's super secure and it doesn't pop off. And then yeah, I'll be back in a second for the next one. Alright, so for this channel, you're going to see me do the same exact thing, but we're going to add a black a black polish first, and then we're going to put chrome on top of that one. I hope it's not confusing, you guys. I worked in like segments, so like pretty much after every nail that I did, I top coated it, because it was easier for me working with chrome sometimes. So yeah, that's why you see me just like as soon as I finish with the chrome, I just go straight in with the top coat. And yeah, for the or for the middle finger, we tried to do like something with some silver pearls, but we didn't really like it, so we took it off, and instead we did like a open, like an outline of a French, and then I just went over it with a silver glitter. So that is what you'll see me put on the middle finger. But yeah, I believe that's it. Again, I wanted to kind of talk through this because I didn't, hold on, sorry. Yeah, I didn't really want it to be that confusing, so because I know with chrome it gets a little tricky. But yeah, I believe that would be it for this video. Again, thank you guys all the time for watching my videos. Let me know what you think in the comments, and then also let me know what other types of videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in the next one.